my diamonds make it hurt.
Hello guys, here we are doing paper 2016 October November. It's a winter paper, paper 2 here. In this paper 2 we are going to do MS Access data manipulation. Okay, database part we are going to do. About the evidence document, we have an evidence document N216 evidence.rtf. So we have to write all our details on it, and we have to save the document with the name of evidence, and also we have to add our candidate number. Fine. So that is the evidence document part. Now let's go to the databases. Here is one. Task 3. Okay, now let's start the session. You're now going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure all currency values display in pound, right? And are to 2 decimal places. If pound sign is not available, select a different currency sign displayed to 2 decimal places. Yeah, if pound is not available, we can go for euro, or we can just a common one. The default one is dollar. Okay, we have to import the file N216 members.csv in Access. Okay, first let me open MS Access, and let's save the database with a name. Then we can start the work. It's a blank database, and here I'm going to just save a relevant name. I'll use 16 November Access database. Okay, now we have to import the file members something, right? Okay, external data, new data source, from file, text file. Now let's browse and go to our folder, 2016 November folder. Sorry, this is for me it should be just, you can also do faster. It's somewhere paper 2. Yeah, in this members, can you see there members? Yes, N216 member, just double click that. Okay, yeah, so much data is there. This is the data for it, and first row contains field names. Next, yeah, here is the selection. So just then click advanced, where we're gonna set the data types and field names by checking in the question paper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are text only. Fine, let's take those 7 text. Short text 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, done. Yeah, we have short text. Next, date joined is a date dd. This will set in design view. Just will set now this to date, and type is a text. Yeah, date with time, fine, and this is a short text. Type is, and what else? Fees due, boolean, or logical. So we have for that yes no. Okay, and the pay method is text. Pay method is text, short text. Okay, perfect. Now we'll go for okay. Next, whether any primary keys are existing. Let us see in the question. Yeah, set member number field as a primary key, save the data. Okay, Choose my own primary key. Member number is the first one. Yes. Next. Finish. Close. Here we got so much data. Yes. Now let's go to. I will change this feed. Do something. Yes. No. Okay. Now we'll go to design. Fine. They want us take a screenshot. See. Showing the field names and data types used in this table. Insert this evidence screenshot into your evidence document. Okay. So let's take screenshot. Press print screen button. Crop. How much you need? I'm using like short. Copy. Now we can go to our evidence. Okay, this is the evidence. What's the number database field structure? See, evidence 5. Just under this, you have to paste that. Okay. Now let's get back to the question. Here, see what we have to. We have to do something a little bit more, right? Here we have to set the currency. 1 currency. Where is currency? Is there anything? There is no amount. There is no amount. Just only this feed due we have to change to yes, no. Fine. So click date table fields and here short text. Fine. And here date as well we have to change as per the format. Now let's go to the view, design. Now date. Here format and a format. What is the date format? 2 Ds, 2 Ms and 4 Ys. 2 Ds, 2 Ms and 4 Ys. Here is the one. So that's called short date. So save. Now let's see how it is. Look at this. Perfect. Now what's next? Let me widen the columns to see the whole data properly. Okay. Now let's go to the question. This whole thing is done fast. Yes. Now you're experts to do all this after watching my videos of Access. Hope I'm doing justice with my videos. Please, if you feel good, comment it, like it. Just it's a no request. It's up to you. Using a drop down menu, format the pay method field to restrict data entry to only following entries. So here no other entries should be allowed within this field. Here drop down menu we have to create. Fine. Anything more it is said? No. For pay method. Okay. So in that to restrict data entry to only the following entries. No other entries should be allowed within this field, and insert this into your evidence document screenshot to show the drop down menu and you have a limited data entry to these 5 values only. Menu. So drop down menu in the sense it is a combo box. But way to create the combo box? Here just they said no, you have to create a combo box, and from that only you have to allow them to select any one of these values no of payment pay method column. Okay. Now let's go to the database and open. Where is pay method? This is a pay method. Fine. So these values are coming as a like in the form of one value. But what is going to happen is there will be like this another drop down icon after every value. So from that we will we have to select any the required value. So here how to do that is just go to view or design view. So here, which is the one, this one, right? Payment method. Pay method. So in this, how to create any drop down menu for a field. Okay, field. Now here we have to go to lookup. Fine, here you have to select. Okay, we have to go to lookup here, and out of this, which one combo, drop down list in the sense combo. Okay, next, row source type, from where we are getting the values in this drop down menu. We are not getting from any table, query or field. We are getting from, means a list is already there in the question, so it should be value list. It should be value list. Now row source means what are the values. Now let's go to the question paper and check. This is the first one is cash. Okay, I'll copy this, or you can even type in. Okay, but you have to type in double quotes. Okay, cash. Sorry, I'll just type in small letters. Cash, double quotes, close, then separate by semicolon. See there, it's a semicolon. Now next value, double quotes. What is another value? Credit card. I'm typing. I'll just go to the next. See, credit card. Close the double quotes, semicolon. Next, what is the value? A check, debit card, pay M. It's coming every time in the beginning. You see there? Semicolon, double quotes, check. Close double quotes, semicolon. Next value is debit card. Here, see, every time the cursor is appearing in the beginning. Just take it to the last, semicolon, double quotes, debit card. Close double quotes, again semicolon. Now we are going for the last, pay M. What is that? Pay M. So again, see, the cursor went to the beginning, come over here, double quotes, pay M. Close the double quotes. Sorry, I did not use a semicolon in between here. See that? Now it's perfect. Yes, save. Let me just check whether this is working or not. Save the work, and let me just go to the data sheet view. Now let me come over here. See there, just when you click on the value, the drop down appearing, and just click that drop down. See, these are the 5. Out of these we will select 1. Yes, and for every one, see, for every record it appears a drop down menu. Fine, that is what the drop down menu for pay method. Hope this is clear. Hope this is clear. Yes, slowly I did no, very slowly. You can just rewind and just go through the video for a second. Fine, now let's move. No other entries should be allowed within this field. Insert into your evidence document screenshots to show the drop down menu and how you have limited data entry to these 5 values only. So there will be 2 evidences, right? 2. One, we have to show the output over here and how we did in the design view. Yes, this one we have to take a screenshot, press print screen, and I will just take from here to here. Yes, I'm showing over here. Just we can even highlight it with this. Where is our this drop down list working? This is the one. Copy. Now let's go to the evidence and we can see payment method. Just two we will have. One is this. Okay, another one we have to go. Save the work. Let me go to data sheet view. Now here. Here, see, when you click on the value, the drop down automatically appears. Fine. So this a screenshot I have to take. Again, press print screen and take how much you need like this. Fine. Then copy. Then go to evidence. Another one, right? So here only just we have to paste. Hope you are following me without any difficulties or with ease. I would say you're following me with ease, right? Wonderful. Okay, now we'll go to the next. Enter the following record into the members table. Okay, one record. Okay, just let me just copy, or even I can type in there SW026. Go to the bottom. So many records there, right? Okay, SW 026 doesn't know the value. Sorry. Which one? Which field I have to enter? Sorry. Member number. Yes. It's going in the last. Sorry. Here is the one. SW026. Right? Next, Mr. Bradley. This is Mr. Bradley Holloway. What a name. Holloway. Next, 42 Boar Lane. 42 space Ball Lane. BD23 9XR. No space here. See, 9XR. Next, male. Date of birth 0202 2015. 0202 2015. These are two, right, for us? Date field, 1 second. What is medium date? Sorry. Date, long date. Sorry. Short date. Now let me go to the view. 1 second. Date time. General. Let me just check. Short date. Only this much we have. Okay, save. Now let's go to okay. Let's continue. Uh-oh. The record gone, or it's adjusted somewhere. What is that? SR Yeah, it's there. See there? It's there. Where is it? SR2, SR26. No, what's ours? SW. This one. You have to fill up the rest. Type is SW, and yes, debit card. And here now what we did, the hard work, you can just enjoy it. Debit card. Yes, save the work. Now let's go to the question. This is done. We entered by typing very hard. Check your data entry for errors and save the data. Yes, we did it. Input the file N216 rates as a new table in your database. Make sure the annual fee is formatted as currency. Okay, that will do. And set member code field as a primary key. Done. Okay, let's do that. Now just save one more time. Close it. Now Excel data, new data source, from file, text file. Now I have to browse to my folder. Yeah, it's already there. This N216 rates. Just double click that. Okay. Oh, this is a very small table. Okay. First row contains field names. Next. And they told something, right? Annual fee should be currency. Annual fee should be currency. Okay. Okay. Next. Yeah, there is a primary key as well. What is the primary key? Member code. Yes, this is the member code is the primary key. Next. Finish. Close. Here is the one. And in this, yeah, that's what. Everything we did, right? These three. Create a one-to-many relationship between the member code field in the rates table, the present small table, and the type field in the members table, or nothing but the first table what we created. Fine. So member code and type. So in these two fields, what's the common is the values. When we can set any relationship among any two tables, when you have the common columns, in the sense common values in both the columns in two separate tables. Name could be different. See there, in this here it is member code and here it is type, but we have to know, means this is, these two are chosen as for the relationship, since they have the common values in both the columns. Okay, and which is a primary key and which is a just non-key. You see here, member code is the primary key in the small table, that's rates table. You see there, see, this is a primary key. Primary key is a column in a table where it is the unique column. That means every value identifies the whole record uniquely. Since this column got all unique values or different or distinct values in its column. Yes, just like your admission number in schools, a customer number in any malls, or employee number in offices. Yes, so they are the unique identification numbers or codes to refer to that employee or student or the customer. Fine, hope you got what is primary key. Now in this table, this is a primary key, but in members table, type. Where is the type? See there. Type, see the values, just check the values. These are nothing but, these are the values are nothing but primary key values. Primary key values, right? what primary key got the values means all are single values in that, but here it can be repeated, and this type is not a primary key at all. This is just a non-key in the other table. Then only we can set one to many relationship. See, in rates table, having single value, one value, right? And you come over here, see, one value is repeated many times, so one to many relationship. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's go for the relationship. Sorry, save the work, close, and this also close. Yes, yes, fine. Now database tools, relationships, members, add, rates, add, close. Okay, this got a lot of fields. Now one to many, see, from member code, see, your this field is just coming out, and where we have to take this to match onto the type. Exactly, it has to, you have to get this dialog open, then only you're on the right track. See there, one to many, it's given there. Then just click create. Fine. Now what's next? Show the evidence document showing the relationship between the two tables. Here, just click on it, you will see the dialog back. Just keep it here, and we have to take a screenshot. And what is the number of 7? Evidence 7. Where is evidence 7? Yes, here. Okay. Now next, this whole thing done. Yeah, here is the report we have to create. 5% penalty charge is added for late payment of fees. Okay, this is noted. Now, using fields from both tables, produce a report which, okay, now let me just take a query. Okay, this is clear, just okay, and close this one. Yes, I have to say, now this area is empty for me. Now let me go for the query. Create query design. Both the tables, add, other one as well, add, close. Now, what all fields I have to take? Shows only fields member number, title, first name, member number. Fine, title, first name, last name. Fee due, date joined, member type. Fee due, where is fee due? Fee due, date joined. What's next? Fee due, date joined, member type. Where is member? Here is a member type from other table. Annual fee and late payment. Late payment is a new field. Okay, so annual fee, here it is. Now the new field is, which one new field? Late payment. I will just copy this, and in the new here, in the new field, just I'll paste that, take two dots, column, and what is the calculation here? Calculation is This field will calculate the annual fee multiplied by 1.05. Okay, simple calculation. And this is calculate runtime. We have to set as currency. Okay, here just use square bracket and annual underscore fee. Close the square bracket into 1.05. Enter. Okay, and here is the calculation without any syntax errors. And then select, go to property sheet. We have to set the currency type. It goes to dollars. We'll go for euro. Do we have the pound? Yeah, they told us to take pound. We don't have a pound, so we can go for dollars. Okay, save. Now let's go to the question. Shows only records where the date joined is this date or later. More date. Okay, this date or later. That means this should be more than this date. Equal to or more. Later in the sense, here it is more when it comes to the dates. What is that? Date joined. Or we have to save it. Okay, let me see. Just save it. Query. Query 24 question. Okay, now just go to date joined. Here under criteria, more or equal to the date. Fine, in double quotes, the date goes in double, or just no, we can continue typing in the date. What is the date? I'll type the date 01/01/2015. 01/01/2015. Fine, this is date. Okay, now just let me check whether this is working. Run. See there the dates. Equal to, where is C? This is equal to. Can you see this? This equal to? Equal to. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's go. Let's do more. Fee due is yes, and the type does not include TE. Does not include. Okay, not like. Fine. So, and fee due is yes only. Where is fee due? It is just yes. And type. Where is type? We didn't take type at all. Okay, so let's take over here the type. Okay, type and does not include. Okay, not like. We have to use a colon, star, and does not. Okay, those are two only letters. Okay, just not. Okay, what is that? TE. Okay, that's it. Now just let me run it and check whether our query is working. See, there is no TE in the last type column, but I have to just I should not include this column. Fine, only its values should be needed to affect the rest of the table. Okay, just uncheck this. Fine, next. Sorts. Okay, this is part of the report. Fine, now just save and now I have to go for the query. query, create report wizard, and query 24. You see there it's selected. Take all the fields from it, next and next, all, right? We took all, next. Now here, source data in ascending order of member type. Okay, member type ascending, and ascending order of last name as well, ascending order of last name, next. Fits on a single page wide and orientation landscape, and fits on single page, next. Calculates the, okay, this calculation will do later. Includes a heading, overdue something something, just copy, I'll copy that and I'll paste here. This will be the title, and modify the report's design, finish. This is the design of the report. Now let me just check the layout to adjust the columns. See here, it's totally gone. Evenly, just we have to adjust the columns. Fine. First name, okay. Here is the one. This is what? Date joined. Okay, date joined. It needs place. Okay, and the last one is annual fee. Annual fee, payment. Okay, now it's clear. It's evenly done. All the values are visible. Good. Now let's go to the question. What else we have to do? We have to do the calculation. Here, calculates the total annual fee for this selection and it positions this under the annual fee column. And there is a label as well for it. Just select, copy. Calculation we do in the design, view, design. And where is the annual fee? Here is the annual fee. Just select the second one. Okay, not the first one. Second one where the values are existing. Okay, and go to totals, sum. And it comes under the data. Here it is. Annual fee. And we need a label there. Where is the label? This is the label. And place it in line with the calculation and paste. Okay. Even you can just bold it if you want. Yeah, like this, something bold, or you can even increase. Fine. And this also you can just increase to show off your hard work. Fine. Now let me just save the work. Go to the layout and check there. Where is that? Yes, this is the value. Perfectly adjusted. Can we just make it close this one bit? When you get plus, like, you can just move it. Okay. Perfect. Now, save and print your report. Fine, we're going to print it. Has your name, center number, and candidate number at the bottom of the report. Okay. Bottom of the report means it has to be here in the footer. Fine. Design, and we're going to keep that over here in the footer. Fine. Like, let's go here. Where is that? Report design. We are going to take a label and type in the details. Fine. Center and candidate number. Okay. Now just save and just let's say in design, here are the values. We can make it bold and a little bit, we can adjust it as well. View, design, this is just a pages. You can just move it here and just home. Here we can take 12 or something. We can make it bold as well. Save. Yeah, look at our details. Good. Now make sure you have yeah, for the printing they are saying yes, just now we did that. Please in your evidence document screen showing the selection criteria you used. Selection criteria. For this we have to go to the query. Fine, this is a query where we have to go to the design. So these are the ones, see, these are the ones, means what are the conditions we used, what are the conditions we used. Okay, that is what selection criteria, they want the screenshot of it. Okay, so now press print screen and I will take from here to here. This is the criteria or the selection criteria we call it, and just copy, go to the evidence and place it over here. Fine, I just pasted this. Now let's back to the question. Place in your evidence document showing the formula used to calculate the total value of annual fee. Yeah, now we have to go to the report. See, he's talking about this. Yes, and go to design view. Where is our calculation? This is our calculation. Okay, just let me just take a screenshot, then I will adjust that. Here it is. No, in layout that was good. Now here it is like overlapping on. Fine, let me just take a screenshot of it. Fine, this is the one, and even we can highlight this, copy back here and paste. Okay, hope this is clear. Now let's go to the question. Fine, all this done, one report fully we finished. Another one, produce reports from all the data which what we need the fields. First we have to go for both the tables. Yeah, feed you pay method and all. Fields a type, first name, last name, address, one, postcode, P, method, feed you. This is only one table it shows, right? So here is the one, save and just close this, and even this also I have to close. I have to open now, create query design, members and rates as well. Just let's add. If it's not there any data, we'll delete this. Okay, what is that? Type, first name, last name. Okay, type, first name, last name. Then address 1, postcode, address 1, then postcode. After that, pay method and feed you. Pay method, where is pay method? Pay method and feed you. Okay, now fine, this is done. More conditions are there. Type is SW, GY or TE only. Fine, out of these three only. Okay, now let's go to this. Where is the type? Type here. Any one of it. We can just use or. See there? Or this or this. Okay, save as a query 25. first Q, sorry, Q25. Okay, now just let me run and check whether only these three are appearing or anything else under type. SW, GY and TE. Run. All are of only that. You see there? But so many records. Maybe it will be reduced after further criteria. Feed Joe is yes. Payment method contains card. Okay, contains card. So then we have to go for like. Okay, like operator. Feed Joe is yes. Feed Joe is yes. Press enter. And pay method has a card in it. Okay, so like double quotes star, then type in card, then star, then double quotes. Okay, see that? Be careful about these. Fine, just let me just save it and go to pay method and check. See there, debit card and credit card only. Okay, our criteria, no, the formulas are working perfectly. Now sorts the pay method in descending order. Pay method in descending order. Go to design. Pay method. Here it is sorting, right? In descending. Descending means big to small. Big number first and small number goes second. Means D. Yeah, in this case only this one. First debit cards, then credit cards. There is no value at all. Has a page orientation. Yeah, this part is of the report. Now I have to just wind up this query job. Fine, just close, save and close and go to create report result. And now query 25. Take all the fields. Next. Here ascending descending we did already. Now here is what? Portrait. Okay, portrait. Next. Has a heading single activity card. Just I'll copy this and paste it here. Modify. Okay, this is what we got. And has your center number, candidate number at the top right of the report. Save and print it. Okay, now let me just see in the layout whether all the values are appearing properly. Look at this. Let me adjust this. Type. Okay, this one. Address 1. Address needs I think more space, right? Let me keep it here. Just widen the column. Oh, address is not that. Okay, fine. Now here postal code. Up. Okay, and payment method something is there. And just move it here. Widen the column. Video is fine, right? Okay, perfect. Now, and anything more? We have to just type in our details. In the top right, take a label, drag over here, and type in the detail. Sorry. One, then center, then candidate. Okay, save, and final look will be this. Okay, and if you want to just check in the report view, will be like this. Okay, debit card got that drop down menu, right, so that we can see this box around it. Okay, now what else we have to do? This whole thing is done. Oh, we are done. We're done. Yeah, wonderful. Nice, no, working with you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot.